So, hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to-go channel for latest opportunities and career tips. So, are you looking for a tech role that combines automation, analytics, and zero travel? So, well, today's opportunity must be a career breakthrough because Cognizant, which is one of the world's leading IT service company, is hiring for system engineer role, and the best part is that freshers are up to 3 years of experience. People are eligible for this role. So stick around till the end. I will be walking you through the key skills, benefits, and certifications you need to crack this role and how you can apply seamlessly. So now let's dive into this wonderful opportunities. So as you can see, the role is of a system engineer, and company is Cognizant, and it's based out of Chennai location with a full-time hybrid opportunity. So what you will be doing, or let's understand the role overview or responsibilities overview for this particular role. So you will be basically involved into automating workflows using Power Automate RPA, working with ServiceNow Orchestration to streamline IT tasks, writing and managing Python scripts, documenting systems, troubleshooting issues, supporting the team, along with update systems, troubleshoot issues, and enhancing the system for top performances. So these are the some of the overview that you will be doing once you join Cognizant as system engineer. So they have mentioned some must-have skills for this particular role. So as you can see the qualifications that they have mentioned. So you must have a degree in computer science, IT or related field, along with knowledge or skills in Power Automate, RPA, ServiceNow, Orchestration, Python scripts, strong problem solving for team collaboration skill, along with certification that you will be needing. Like a certified system engineer is preferred if it's not required mandatory, but it's preferred. Along with that, Power Automate RPA certification. They have a first mentioned certification required section, but even if you don't have that and if you have a skills, Cognizant encourage you to apply, even if you are 50 to 70% qualified for this particular. So now it's actually perfect for the candidates who are freshers but had hands-on experience on academic project internships, or even if you are up to 3 years of experience and have the necessary skills that mentioned, then it's eligible. Then you are eligible for this particular role. So now let's understand why one should join Cognizant. So as we all know that it got just the award in 2024 as one of the Forbes best employer. So and also it's a notable kind of job. It's a hybrid full-time opportunity based out of Chennai, and you'll get the collaborative, inclusive, and innovative driven culture. So how you can apply? Just head to the direct link in description. We have mentioned direct link for this job, and apply as soon as you can because this is again a competitive role. So this might end anytime soon. So go and check it out and apply as soon as possible. So yeah, this is all about this wonderful opportunity at Cognizant as system engineer. So if you are ready to launch your career with a company that values innovations, automations, and you, then this is your sign to apply. Drop a comment if you have any questions or want resume tips for this particular role. Also like this video, subscribe to our channel for the notes for daily job alerts, and share this with your friends who is job hunting too. And also you can join our WhatsApp and Telegram communities where we are sharing more jobs daily for you people, like especially for freshers or up to 2 years of experience, so that we can just cover the people more much as possible. So yeah, this was all about this wonderful opportunity. I hope you like this. I wish you all the best with your applications. Thanks for watching, and I